I've got the Margot Elena Spring Box. So if you want to see what's inside, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey, and Bandit's over there hanging out with me. Chloe just came in to disturb me, and that's pretty much the all of us. So if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So the Margot Elena box is a quarterly luxury subscription box. It is full of different products from the different Margot Elena lines, including Library of Flowers, TokyoMilk, Infinite She, Cottage Greenhouse, Lollia. Could be one I'm forgetting. But if you are a fragrance lover, you are going to love this box because there are some great fragrances in here. And I'm going to say this, but I'm going to phrase it as, I have always received one full-size perfume in this box. I don't want to say you're always going to get one, because then maybe you won't want. I don't work for Margot Elena. But I have always received, in the time I've gotten this, and it's a few years now, a full-size perfume. All right, spring at last, it says, and now in bloom. There is your sneak peek. You can see a little something over here different. All right, let's look at what's not wrapped first. Okay, this is a box exclusive, and these are the Margot Elena garden gloves. They are a $22 value, so they're not available on their website. They do have kind of that silicone-y, grippy stuff here, and they are so lovely. And I'm going to guess they're a one-size-fits-all. But maybe not my little hands. But I'm going to use them anyway. Next, we have the TokyoMilk Bonbon Shea Butter Lotion. And so this is their La Petite hand cream. It is a $23 value. And the scent notes are lily, peony, vanilla bean, and violet. Move the box. By the Cottage Greenhouse, we have some revitalizing bath salts in their cucumber honey, which is so delicious of a scent. And this is brand new, and this is $4.50. Oh, it smells so good. This is from Archive. It's the On Cloud 9 Sea Spray and Sky. It smells, I wish you guys could smell this right now. It is so nice. It is so beachy, sea salt, kind of a little bit of a vanilla, but not like a sweet vanilla, like a, just so good. This is a debut product, and it is a $20 value. We have some cards. Usually you get 3, and it says it's a $16.50 value. They are nice cards. I wouldn't pay $16.50 for 3 cards, but they have, like, can you see on there? It's got like that sparkle on the tree. And this one says best of luck. And then this one says happy birthday, a little late. All right, so next, this is a box in here, like a long rectangular box. Oh, it's one of their dry body oils from Cottage Greenhouse. Just look at the package. Look at the packaging there. So this is in their wild lavender and violet scent, and you're just gonna like put this on after you get out of the bath, out of the shower, and put it on before you put lotion on. It's gonna really lock in that moisture. And it smells so good. Okay, 2 items left. I haven't made it to the perfume. Is there a perfume in here? I don't like peek at what the other things are. There is. I got the perfume. This is by Lollia. It is their Imagine Flowering Willow and Lotus perfume. I've had the hand lotion. Love it. This is a $72 value. It's one of their more expensive perfume lines because a lot of them are like around the $40 range, 48, so maybe around the $50 range. But this is one of their more expensive lines, but it's a huge perfume too. Sprayed myself with so many perfumes tonight. Oh, it's very nice. It almost has like a little bit of a pepper with the flowery, so it kind of cuts down on that floral scent a little bit. If that makes any sense. This is a huge perfume, huge. Like, I'm gonna have this the rest of my life. Okay, and my last item, also heavy. That was the kid barking. She thinks I won't leave this in, but I will. And by Library of Flowers, we have their bubble bath, and this is in willow and water. I have had this scent in hand cream. It is so amazing. It is like whenever I put that hand cream on, everybody's like, what is that smell? Oh my God, what is that? And I'm like, oh, it's my hand cream. And they're like, oh my God, that's so great. So great, great scent. I'm not going to open it up now. Did I tell you the dry body oil is a $32 value? I don't think I told you that. And this is a mini bubble bath. This is a mini bubble bath. Look at how big this is. And this is a $22 value for this big old guy that they're calling a mini. I can't even imagine. What's the big one like? I don't know. But great, great products. So I will say I love everything in this box. Everything just smells so nice. Their perfumes are very nice. Like, they're one of the only perfume brands that I have liked everything except for one so far. That was the one with the spider on it. And it wasn't just because it was a spider on it. Like, it was just too musky for me. But a lot of times scents can kind of trigger a migraine for me. And these do not. So they're very nice, subtle, but great scents. And even their musky scents are just fantastic scents. And I'm not a musky scented kind of gal. I like the gourmand and the fruity, a little bit of floral, not as much floral. Like, I'm really more of like, if I could smell like grapefruit all day, every day, or cotton candy, like, okay, or pistachio cake, that's how I would smell every day. And I could, because there's perfumes out there like that. But I do mix in these others because they're just so nice and so just fantastic. So if you ever come upon one of their perfumes and you're out in town, smell them. I think they're just fantastic. Their hand creams though, oh, so good. I have that one of their hand creams at work at all times because I just love their hand creams too, and all of their products. So, for the value of this box, I think it's around, it's getting more expensive, but it is only quarterly. I think it's up to around like maybe close to $70 range, but you are definitely getting your money back. This whole box was a $212 value. So definitely worth the investment I put in. And, I have some great scented products that I just love. But give me your thoughts. Let me know down below what you think, or your favorite product, or drop me an emoji, or whatever it is. Just let me know you're still here. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell if you haven't already. If you watch this long, maybe you like it. So hit that like button. It does help us a lot. And hopefully we'll see you soon.